Alright. Hello, mods, and anyone who's bored enough to watch someone attempt to pick a purple belt lock. So today I have a small format interchangeable lock, and previously in unreleased footage I was able to get it picked to the control key pretty easily, but I've been really struggling with the operating key. But you know, I was literally not more than 5 minutes ago, I just attempted it, turning opposite tension of what I was doing before, and it worked just fine. Like, I got over operating in like 30 seconds, as I said. So, here's both keys working, and the pins are in fact in there. Let me... Yep, pins are in there. And the control key works. Yep. Cool. Zoom back out and put this in the vise and see if lightning doesn't strike twice. And before I do that, let me refocus. And just an overview of what I will be using. I will be using a 15 thousandths Sparrows short hook, possibly a 15 thousandths Sparrow steep hook, 50 thousandths pry bar, and a wiper insert, which I will show how it's used later. Alright, now, because I'm superstitious, I'm going to go for the control key, or sorry, for the operating key first, so I don't lose my luck. And for this, I like to use a wiper insert in the bottom to create a little valley to angle my hook off of. It lifts it up a bit and gives it a spot that's consistent to rest upon. Click on 2. Nothing on 3. 4. Something on 5, maybe? I might have just slipped off. Nothing on 1. Maybe nothing on 2. 3. Let's just restart there. This is kind of a mess. Okay. Nothing on 1, 2. I don't. 4. Man, something's not feeling right about this. I don't know what it is. Let's just restart. Nothing on 1. 2 is binding. 2 clicked. Click on a 3. Click on a 4. Nothing on 5 or 6. Thought I heard something drop. Got clicked back out of 2. One is binding. might have gotten in place. That felt not great though. I'll let go of a little bit of tension there. See it, make sure nothing is overset. Okay. Whew. Whew. Okay. It's getting real. It's getting real. So, as we can see, that was to the operating key. You can see that's still in place, and I'm going to reset it. And we are going to go for the operating. Sorry, control. We're going for control. Now, I'm going to use that same method, but now I'm going to turn as I normally would, clockwise. Whoops, that's the right hook. Why are you focusing over there, little camera? I would like right here. That would be rather kind. Thank you. Nothing on 1, 2, 3 is binding. Click out of 3. 4 is nothing on 4. 5 is binding. 5, click on 5. 1 is binding. 2 maybe. 3 is binding. Nothing on 4. 5 is binding. Actually, I'm not sure about that. Let me set off a bit, back off a bit. Cool. 1 is binding. 2 is loose. 3 is loose. 4 is loose. 5 might be binding. I'll just pull that pick out of there and go back through. 1 seems to be binding. Let me get a steeper hook. One seems to be binding. Seems to be at a shear line. Let's go back through. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 seems to really be binding, but for some reason I'm having a hard time moving it. I think that was it. I think that was it. Please say. Ah, yeah. There it is. Purple belt lock. Got it. Gotta get it done. Boom, boom. Now, because I'm paranoid like that, I'm gonna open up the SFIC filming requirements and make sure there's nothing I need to get in this take. I believe I got everything. You can admire this beautiful little lock here. I think I'll give myself some cookie dough as a reward. Yep. Got // lockpicking. Belt ranking info. Show the keyway clearly. I will do that in just a second. And I used yep. Cool. Just make it extra certain you can see that. And move that back. And give you a close up of that keyway there. Oh, my camera can't quite do that. There we go. And if it helps, let me get a flashlight. Yep, cool. Wow, what a great day. Now, just a little shout out for, let me make sure I don't mess this up, for Lockmaker Tattooer. He just opened up my Challenge Lock Snaggletooth today, and that kind of inspired me to pick up my lockpicks, and here we go. Although he did get me a brown belt in there, I'd like to upgrade, or I guess it'd be downgrade to the purple belt. Well, thanks for watching.